welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So, those who are watching from yesterday probably didn't see this one coming. Haven't used this starter for a while, so I just thought I'd crank this one out. Main reason I thought I'd bring it out is because I want the speed. I just want to get in and get out, get this job done. It's late in the day, late in the week, Friday afternoon, just about ready to go home. And I haven't used this gun for a while. Hold on, did I do that? No, I didn't. So I always do that, like I forget to pop that cap. It's a nice size sound on that thing, isn't it? Nice and full too. 1.3i. So yeah, I did two other videos on this car. I'm sure you guys have already seen it though. So LVC 136 is the clear coat I'm using, and sometimes we run out of this. So this is an Australian clear, and sometimes we run out of it. When we do, we get the D8173, and look, they're very similar. So to those of you who are outside of Australia, yeah, this clear is very similar to the D8173, just if you're interested. I didn't end up running the clear through a viscosity cup today. I was confident that it wasn't going to need it. It's a pretty warm day. The clear was sitting at 24 degrees, so nice and warm. And I mixed it up at 3:1 to 0.8. And that's actually another thing. This clear here, it's actually mixed up at the same ratios as the that Deltron clear 8173. Actually the mixing ratios are exactly the same and everything. And when we do get the 8173, you can actually use the same hardener, and so it's basically the same stuff. It sprays the same, it looks the same. You can use the same hardener, we do use the same thinner. So yeah, it's basically 8173. I heard what was happening was like some different people were like importing the 8173, and PPG didn't like it because that PPG Australia didn't like it because they weren't getting their cut. So they thought, well, they'd make their own clear here in Australia. That's what I heard anyway. I would believe it. Oh, at least PPG Australia would be glad to see me spraying it with a starter. They say you need to use a starter for their PPG. That's just because they import the starters. I just use medium reducer in this. I'm going to give it a good 5 minutes in between base coat and, in between coats of clear. I like to do that. You can actually mix this clear up thicker and use it as like a single visit mode if you like, but I don't know, I just found the job come up better as a two coat mode. I used to love the Gladiator doing that as a one visit, but I don't know, I've sort of turned away from that these days. Anyway, I'll give that a few minutes to dry off, and I'll see you back here soon. Rightio guys, back to it. So I went out, I cleaned out the base coat gun, I mixed up some more clear, and we're right going with our last, second and final coat. 1.9 bar, that's all we're gonna need. Soul Edition. Pretty cool looking gun. It's better than some of the guns that Starter has come up with over the years, man. Some of them just let me scratch in my head. Like, I don't know, I'm sure one of you guys has probably got it, but that 60s, like hippie edition, now the 60s one was actually pretty cool, but the hippie edition, like what? I thought they'd been smoking a bit too much weed after I saw that one. Doing these parts first just so I use the rest of what's in the gun. I don't want to be changing pots halfway through painting the side of the car, you know. And we're going to run out here, but I'd rather run out halfway through a sill panel than halfway down the side of the car, you know. Might not even run out over that sill panel. Just made it. Nice. There we go. Now we'll swap over. Yeah, don't forget to go and follow me on TikTok. I've been really enjoying putting stuff up over there on TikTok. I've only done one TikTok dance, so wondering why I put colour all the way up here, it's because my colour was actually better than the original colour, so someone had already painted down the side of this car before. Have a look at that big fan, man, what a ripper. The 1.3 is nice and fast, especially for these warmer months. It's actually a pretty damn big day to get this one done, I tell you what. But, you know what they say, dirty hands, clean money. You can go to sleep knowing that you've done a good job. You've contributed to society in a meaningful way. And you've done your best. Days like this that I'm thankful I've got such a nice big booth at this workshop. We really do some big jobs at this shop. As you see here, like full size, front and rear bumpers, all of the door handles and that, you know. I'm not going to pretend it's a massive job, but it's, yeah, I mean, there's more jobs like this than little spot repairs, put it that way. Yeah, this bumper here, man, this was covered in stone chips and all that. I fixed them all up, wet on wet, sealed it down, and brought it back to life. I enjoy doing stuff like that. I get a kick out of fixing stuff, always have. And it's no different when it's somebody else's car. I still enjoy bringing something back to life. As I said in one of my videos recently on my main channel, you know, like, we're such a throwaway society, we should be doing more fixing. I really, really think that if you care about the environment, we should be building stuff the best we possibly can. Everything that's manufactured, and this is purely from an environmentalist standpoint, everything that's manufactured should be to the highest possible standard. And then if it breaks down, you fix it. You know what I mean? You don't just get a new one, throw it out, get a new one, throw it out, because that's bad for the environment. Anyway, rant's over. And again, talk about the environment, mate. Don't throw out all that excessive material. Haha, we did pretty well there. So how much did I use on this job? I mixed 900 mils 2 times. It was 870 the first time, and 900, that's 1.8 litres. 1.8 litres of clear for this job. And what have we got left? Less than 100 mils, less than 50 mils by the looks of it. Yeah, less than 50 mils. That's pretty damn good. I'm pretty happy with that. Have a close-up look at the gun and the job. Well, that leaves me with about 15 or 20 minutes to go and clean my guns out and get ready to go home. So there you go, the Starter True Soul Edition clear coat stage on this Ford Territory. I hope you're all well. I really do wish you all the best. I wish you the best in life and for the rest of your day. And yeah, until next time, let's go and have a close-up look at the job first before I get all sentimental and start saying goodbye. I can actually see a little bit of muscle in the camera, but I can't even see it with the naked eye. That's a strange one. But you can't see it on every angle. That's the Enviro base for you, mate. You see what I mean? Like, it looks good in most angles. But then now here, what's that? Bit of a funky pack. What's going on with that? Oh well, what do you do, man? I'm doing my best with what I've got to work with. But then the rest of it here is totally fine. And I sprayed it all the same way, man. She'll be right, mate. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Gunman out.